You have to buy a special. So we want to do the data transformation. When we did the validity test and the reliability test, we saw that supply integration 1 and 5 are not contributing. So we have taken them off. So we are left with 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and what? 8. Now we want to use it to form the latent construct. That the one that we can call supply what? Integration. So how do we do it? You go to transform. You go to transform, and then you click on compute variable. Transform compute variable. Compute variable. So the variable name or the shortcode name that we want to give it to it, we can call it supply what? Integration, SI. SI. So at the target variable, write the shortcode name for the variable. Then you click on type and label.
Target variable, you click the SIM.
Then you click on type and label. When that one opens, it will ask us what is the actual name of the variable we want to compute. So you can write it there, supplier integration. Supplier integration. And the type of the data that we are dealing with is numeric data, is that not it? Yeah. So we don't have to touch it. Click on continue. As usual, you can click on this table and display the variable names to make it easy for selection. Have you seen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Supply integration, that is the name of the course.
Okay. So from there, you go to function group. Have you seen? At function group, click on all.
Please, let be on the same page. So
I'm far away from where you are.
so function groups.
Function group.
Click on all. Click on all.
Okay.
As soon as you click on all, some figures will come under, or some labels will come under functions and special variables. Have you seen?
Yes.
Yeah, previously it was empty, right?
Yes.
Now, these variables have come. So scroll down and go to the mean. It means that we want to use the mean to represent it. We are not taking the absolute numbers, okay? We are taking their mean to represent it. So click on the mean. So the mean score for 2, mean score for 3, mean score for 4, 6, 7, and 8.
So each of them questions.
Yeah, that is what we are going to add them together to form the supplier development.
Integration.
Sorry, supplier integration. Have you seen that? Okay, so have you seen this arrow there? Once you click on that, use that arrow to move the mean into the numeric expression box. Have you seen that mean has come? And there is a question mark in there.
Yeah.
It is asking you, which variables are you talking about? So which variables are we talking about?
S2, S3, S4, S7.
Very good. So if you select any of them, it is very case sensitive. If you select any of them, what do? Comma. If you select comma, if you select comma until you are done with the selection, then you get then you get that variable.
So not addition but comma.
Comma. Okay, so let's quickly illustrate that. So you can delete the two question marks in the brackets. Okay. So which of the factors are we selecting now? 2. Yes, I2. Click on that.
So about that, we'll put them in the bracket then.
Yes. This arrow will move it. Have you seen it?
Yes,
So this arrow is moving it. Then you click what? Comma. Which other factor you have to select? You put it on and then you move. And then you do what? Comma. Which one do you have to select again? 4. You do a comma. Which one again are you supposed to do?
6.
No 5.
Yeah, so 6.
Okay, 6. And then the last but one what? 7. And then the last one is what?
8.
When you are done, you don't have to put comma there again. So you click OK, and it is transformed.
Okay, I accept that bracket.
So the syntax will even tell us. Look at the syntax output. It says that compute supplier integration. We use the mean of 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and what? 8. If you go to your data file, you scroll down, and you see it at the last 120 variable.
Okay.
You see it at the, go to the variable view, not the data view. Scroll down, so you see the 120th item or variable. It's called what? Supplier what? Integration. That's it. And if you look at its measures, this measurement level, it is at the scale level. You know that it has scale because I already told you that those that are measured as ratio and interval are considered at what? Scales by the SPSS. That's why you see it as scale there. So this is how we do data transformation. Would you like to try your hands on one?
I think the procedure, you have to let her get a procedure.
Me.
So we should try on another one.
Try and create latent factor for customer integration.
I have to.
So the procedure is as follows. Go to transform.
I'll write that one first.
Then go to compute variables. Then at target variable, give the code name for that variable that we are interested in. Customer integration, so we call it what? CI. Is that not it? CI. Then at the label, you write what we are talking about, which is customer integration. Which is customer integration. We have already selected the mean, is that not it?
Write the full name. So you can write it.
So we now come and delete them and go and select the indicators that are measuring customer integration.
No, I think.
So we are assuming that everything was okay. So if everything was okay, we just have to select. At each select, you will do comma.
So we can clear this one.
Once you have selected, then you do what? Okay. That's all.
Do that once.
So you go back to your data file and you find it under it. 121 variable. At the variable view, you will see customer what? Integration. Measured at what level? As what?
Scale.
Scale. That's all. Then you can now save it. This is the save button. Save it to include on the data file. If you don't save it, the transform this thing will go and vanish. Is that not it? So after, so you click on the save. This is the save button. That's all. If you don't save and you close the data file, you cannot retrieve it. You have to start the entire process again. So that's why when you do it, you have to what? Save it. And we end it here.
So that one with the